allow me ride on established protocols. I have just managed to see that I have improved from 45, below 45% last year to 68%. So I think I really want to thank my team. I think this is a very important exercise because I think if there's anything that we got from the new constitution is public participation. But I would like to ask, I think the National Assembly and the Senate, I serve the Senate as a speaker, that the public participation bill be fast-tracked, because as my colleague has said, there is still a lot of confusion on public participation. What happens in reality, like you said, people come and expect to be given listening allowance, so that without listening allowance, they will not come. They can become rowdy, and therefore we need to structure public participation because it's very important. And it's important because for the first time, the budget is now a public document. In the past, some of us who have been here for some time, the budget was a secret. In fact, I remember there was an assistant minister called Daniel Moss who was sacked for leaking the budget. You can imagine how it was, and the minister would come, and it was very mysterious when you looked at this. The briefcase that was carrying the budget looked very mysterious. But now, at least people participate, people say what they want, and I think that is the way to go. So for Bungoma, I'm happy. We'll also, just like my colleague has said, we'll also allocate some money for civic education so that people really understand, and also get them away from this culture of asking for something before they come to listen. And sometimes even political opponents bring their own team to come and heckle those who are supporting, say, the governor. So I think we need to change the culture. But otherwise, I want to thank Budget Hub for this very important exercise, and it keeps us on our toes. But I think at the end of the day, all of us are winners. I think participation is what is important. Those who have improved, continue improving. Those who are at the top, continue remaining there. But all of us, the 47 counties, are winners.